What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. And right now, people, we're downtown Toronto, and yeah, I'm gonna take on this is one of my next job that I'm doing, my people. So we make sure you welcome back to 416 to 876 Jamaica. You understand? And today, I take on a job as being a photographer for today for someone, and we're shooting around this area. So I'm just waiting for them. We just put the equipment in. I might get a parking ticket in the cars. I don't see the parking place to pay these parking people, you know. But we have this famous restaurant that's here that everybody always come and take pictures or video of. So I might gonna do some pictures right here by this girl. I think she has 2 looks or 3 looks. So I'm trying to bang these out quick and fast. So yeah, so we're at this famous nightclub or famous restaurant. Right, so we're there. You understand? So I might take a 1-2 shots right here. So that works, you know. Don't know, say I have the police them always out and about. I park on the ground right there, so but me can't find the parking man them, you know. So we're outside. And yeah, my people, this is a next nice fancy hotel right here. Hopefully inside look good and then too small. But again now, my people, a lot of people always ask me a photography job in Toronto is worth it to do. Right, so I can say it all depends upon the individual. We have to do it, yeah? And a lot of people always ask me, yo Jay, you think if you get in photography or video production in Toronto? Again, it always depends upon the person and the marketing and the type of vibe and the type of shoot you do. You understand? Back in the days, could I make crazy money on photo shoots and music videos and stuff like that. But right now, the market is down. Everything down like that. But see, if you're there at Jamaica now and your name bigger Jamaica and you do music video, easily I make a $1 million a month if you're doing music videos in Jamaica, not photo shoot. But cause music video now, you get $100,000 per video. I mean, I thought that on the lower end too, my people. So if your name bigger yard now, you know you get around $200,000-300,000 to do a music video yard, and yeah, that's good money. But you have to build up your brand and build up your name over there, right? So that's one of the things that people right now. We are on this model or the guests supposed to be shooting right now and things like that. But it's one of the jobs that my people. It's easy. I want to call it easy, and you just have to have the right equipment at the right time and the right moment. Because every equipment do a lot of different things. You understand? So if you have the right nice equipment, then boom, your job get over. Boom, boom, boom. From you have the girls them or the people them can post quick and fast. They make your life is so much easier. When you have some people them just them not like them body, them not like themselves. Say they take out 10, 1500 pictures and then still can't come up with one good look. 1 second, my people. Again, some of them people don't love them body, you know, so they give all of the headache and stress. Ooh, like all of them. She don't love her body, now she do up her body. Like a be a do up body girl, me I go see around here, so. And this a downtown, my people, you see everything downtown, you know. So I think the girl is supposed to come and get me right here. Hopefully, I don't get no ticket now, because I'm not trying to shoot for too long. Just try to spend an hour down here, get the shots, get the hell out of here. You know what I mean, people? So, data code. But again, if you want to get in photography and want to post more content like this, I can. You guys just let me know down the road, and me some can get more content like this out also. Like all the people different, you know. All the like people say, yeah man Jay, do some more behind the scenes. All the people say, yo, I don't want to see no behind the scenes. Just want to hear the tea talk time and show you. You know, miss, everybody is different. I mean, I try to please everybody at the end of the day. So I don't know if you do everything just gonna be mix up and call it that one shot, yeah man. So me tell her somebody in front of the lobby, and only one lobby I know about. So when the next lobby there? Like, holy shit, you hear somebody a long time. I have to look for parking and you still couldn't even reach back down yet. But yeah, down here on a Sunday, it's not too bad. But like I say, hopefully I don't get no parking ticket. Because I try to go up on the parking thing and I not find it, you know. Don't want them people to ticket me, you know, that I make them know. So I have to go walk around and see if I can find a parking ticket man around there, because I just $10 with and pay for my parking and done. More than get at how them people are them man, she say she just a walk around. But this hotel look nice. The people wonder how much a night. I good probably 6 bills a night. Alright now probably like a good 4 bills per night for this hotel. But we're gonna see how the room look when we reach upstairs and show you where I go on, cause like I say this step on the King Street west side, you know, so you know what I say. And get a whole heap of traffic and a whole heap of party goers around this area also, and a lot of restaurants around this area. So yeah. I still don't know where this girl is though. Wow. As so far this hotel go around and slip around. Wow. But yeah, this is the downtown lifestyle. Again, my people, if you're in Toronto, you have money, live downtown. You know, and if you work downtown or work at home, you just have to just live downtown. That is it. You don't need to live nowhere else. You don't need to do nothing else. Just live downtown, your life will be okay. Again, you're calling me and you're still not right here. One second. People, so we get rid of that. We paid now. That was just some our shit. Like everything is online. Everything like it just complicate the headspace. Like wow, credit card, this or that. You know, nobody not there again on the machine him now. You know, you just pay and go through or get your ticket and boom when you leave. You pay. Not even that. Me go front this to ask the people them, how do you pay? Them don't know how you pay. Just go downstairs and scan. You scan downstairs, no service cause you're the way underground. Like them people are, I don't know man. But this is the new world we are moving to, you know, people. At the end of the day, this is the new world we're moving into. So I might do a shot right here. Might come down here quick, do a quick photo shoot right here, quick time, like that sign and stuff, and then we just get the hell out of here. Don't want to stay here for too long. So how this place here look, and you know these people gave me their keys. Yeah, we're just down here. Go do one shoot right now and hit the road, Jack. Drive back all the way home. That is it. Don't tell me I'm gonna come in the elevator and go. Sure. Alright. Like a whole heap of black people living in that building here, you know. Be a black people man stops still. But that is it. But that's how I try going a look a vibe, you know people? Try going a look a vibe man. But yeah, go and walk upstairs now, we're gonna shoot and soon up on the road again. Use one light setup. So we'll turn off them lights here and see how this looks. So this is where we're gonna be shooting for today. And we're just using a small softbox for today, and yeah, this is the location and thing. I'm gonna shoot up the place. I don't know. What's your background? What's your background? Jamaican. She says she's a Jamaican Guyanese and people, so can look for her if she ever come to Jamaica. I don't know how to book her for doing a clothing booking and hair booking and stuff like that. Alright, so Jamaican Guyanese, say I work, you know, people. So, amount of them shoots I have to do, photo shoots I have to do for make a, for buy a block of Jamaica, but we have to do it, you understand? So, a whole heap of blocks we have to buy, and cement, by doing a whole heap of them shoots here, back to back. One day we did a Toronto, you know, people, we had 3 shoots, 4 shoots in a day we had, you know, people. Now, man. 4 shoots, 5 shoots all sometime. Now one day we had to straight round the clock, we just work it. Nah, stop. And then thing let's get you 6 still now, but my type of job, a photo shoot type of business really stress me out. Or music video not really stress me out, but if I work at good 15-13 hours per set and stuff like that. Set work not stress me either, you know. But it's like the trucking thing now. Then once you have to focus on the road, and for teetness and him 13, 14, 15, 16 hours. You're there, I run the truck and I drive. that play upon you see it. So now I go tell you do I miss the trucking world? Yeah man, I miss it still. More times yo, go back go drive two trucking and them I say you know what that tell me say can't go back go drive no truck you know. So I have to go and wall out on the trucking part of your lifestyle, you see it my people. But I go back still. One of the fastest way to make money in the city if you don't have no degrees or anything like that, you know say you know what this me have and that me I go do right away. You can make a good 3-4 50 for the day. You understand? Depends on the job where you get and the hours where you at work. I remember the baby well. And the hours the more you at work and stuff like that. You understand my people? So you have to just remember them type of vibe there. Cause it's not easy, none at all. But the job is not easy either. All you do is just stand up and see sexy girl and take them pictures, shoot them, and then you go edit them. So you have to know about editing, you have to know about computer work, right?
You can't just pick up and do this.
You can't just pick up and just say, yeah, more I go do photo shoot because you see the person there had the photo shoot or him had the photography, so you want to go do photography too, or you want to go do video production because the youth there the video too. You will be broke and nobody now go book you. You understand? You go waste your time. Yeah, nobody now go book you. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. You go waste your time, nobody now go book you, my people, so. You don't want to jump in on this because the next person not do it. You have to do this because you love to do it. You understand? So
Passion.
and I like back in the days now too, when the smartphone market weren't so popular and people now you harder get bookings because people can just really jump on them phone, take some shots, go into them own editing program, pan them phone and boom boom boom. But something just different with photo shoot, the girl them still just love their vibe the same way, you understand? And the picture quality them way better too, same also. But you can still just jump on your phone and take your own picture of them, but people them still just love photo shoot same way. You understand? But it's not for everybody. So now just jump and get up and think overnight you just go blow up by taking some pictures and everybody go book you like that, you know. In our work, so you have to build your name and make sure you have quality. That's about it. You just make sure you have quality and be professional. You understand? And that's about it. And you're good to go. Ask her how long she about me. How long you about me now?
Like 4 years, 3 years.
Alright. No, probably longer than that.
Maybe longer than that.
Yeah,
maybe
probably.
5-6 years.
Yeah, remember when we do like the outdoor one, them waiting at the beach side
And
from a long time.
The one in the east.
Yeah, from a long time. So, people, but yeah, you have an Instagram link you can follow?
Damn, she busty.
And what do you do? What do you do with the city? What do your job like? What do you do here?
I'm a dancer.
Alright, my people, so if you need a dancer, if you come to Toronto, and you can fly her out, you can book her, she can come entertain your groomsman party and all of them stuff there. You can't show too much of her body on camera, my people, because you don't know, say, you will get demonetized. Yeah?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man. Not really demonetized, no, but they will make you can't,
post, get money from it.
yeah.
So same thing, demonetized.
Yeah, demonetize you.
Or
So.
they'll restrict it, right?
Yeah, so people, right now I'm gonna put on the camera and see me a setup. I'm just use one lighting for this setup because I know the place was gonna be small. But I'm gonna try to change up the lighting same way. So go and stay tuned. Yes, my people, so we're still here shooting and now we're doing the money scene. So people, so when they come around the people, man, you see the people have money. Don't use your natural mentality if you try to go take up the people have money when you shoot. You understand? Don't have some bad habits. Don't have them bad habits. You have to have shoot etiquette. Alright, my people. But yeah, man, we're just there again. We're on the work and we're just doing some nice shots. You know what I mean? You guys can go over my Instagram to see them when you guys are ready at the end of the day, you know. So we do all kind of shooting on people: photo shoot, music video, wedding shoot, engagement shoot, event shoots, any type of shoot where you want, location shoot, any local thing, music video, vixen video, whatever you want we do. From the money is right, we're there to do it, your shoot. Alright, people. People, so we just get one shot like that and now we're gonna get a couple more shots and then we're gonna move on to location 2 because this package come with 2 locations you want or 2 outfits, right? So that way I can't show too much of the model on the screen because you don't know, we don't want to get copyright with people. But yeah, she do her thing. She says she's a dancer and she's in Toronto, in Canada, right? Canada wide, you know. So if you need a professional dancer, international, can book her if you don't need her anywhere in the country or in the world. That's a code. But yeah, people, some of these jobs what I do in Toronto. Photo shoot, music videos, same thing, everything. We meet all these people, you know. At the end of the day, but I have to use all of them money on my people and build my house in Jamaica. So block by block, I do this. You understand? So no matter what, every booking me take, I don't care what. From it to pay me, and it then, you know, from it on a funny business, I'm alright. Just pay me my money, I'm good to go, I'm done your job. Simple, but come through my people, you know. So this is a part of one of my job. I do every type of job in the city in a way. So that's my know, see. She ready to go throw back some money right now. We never get a money throw here right now, my people, but let's see if I can get a money throw for this one. While she throw some money. Wait, turn on the music there. Cause I know what. Can stop it there? Yeah, cause I don't want it to copyright me. Yeah, man. So alright, people. So now. YouTube people, M416, this is one of my jobs. So I don't want to come over here and be like, oh, Jay, we're gonna pick it. No, this is a part of my job. What we do. Alright, so, alright, we're gonna go again in 3.
You want your job.
Then I want my job. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright. And that was burst mode. We have it on just go now, people. So, you want to check it out?
Was I snatched? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so burst mode of it right there, so you know what people. So yeah, and our boyfriend is there and everything like that, so no can just put it on thing.
No boyfriend.
Our husband and thing. So don't put the thing on thing all like no. A business me I do, my money me I try to make. So don't try them things and just pay me my money. I come work for you, get for the job done. I'm gonna me I see my father. We don't want to headache and we don't want to stress. That's all me I try to say to you. Alright, work we are work. We have black house to build up at Jamaica, so we now wait. We are going to continue focus and build one by one, my people. Everybody out there, this is the lifestyle. Moment. So we're at the Nebula place and we're just shooting in the parking lot. Although we have a resident, we're shooting right here. And they told us we can't shoot in their parking lot and I don't know why. Right, so the model feel away and stuff like that. So now we just have to take it to the street, right? I remember, you know, they booked this place, right? So at the end of the day, and I like they never book a place, you know, people. They see the room and everything, them spend the money and everything like that. And we don't know if a criticism black people face in other country more time, or it's just their policy, and then they make nobody want to shoot. Listen, we don't have no equipment or anything set up like that to shoot. Watch out, be an argument to them people and watch it. Be a mix up again and watch out. How they make you feel the squirrel?
Never again. I wish my man was out here. He would have told him.
You see that? Yeah, understand my people, so we just switch to the side because we don't want to argument with nobody. And we're just gonna shoot right here and we're gonna finish up this project outside. I'm gonna call it a day, you know what I mean? But time for God, I got the battery got dead too. Alright, go on right there, so stand up right there, so people, I'm getting some last minute videos of what I go on right here, so and that are code. 1 second. Alright, turn back. Yeah, right there, so it's good. And yeah, right there. Yeah, let me step back a bit. Yeah, alright, try to do a full body now. Nice. And people, like I said, people are downtown Toronto at the end of the day, and we're just doing our thing. And remember, these people book their place to stay here and everything like that. So
it's crazy when you have to walk back inside.
I just gotta walk back to my driveway and to the parking lot still, but We got some good
We
stuff.
got some stuff we can work with. We'll see.
Yeah, me like them still.
Something we move. Can we do that for one more time?
I suppose I can. I mean, I know them girl and them asking them people always, I want them to ask. You have nice ones, man.
Alright, no, I want that one. You know what's actually super cool.
Yeah, man, we have a whole heap of good one. All the one are nice too. We have a whole heap of good posts. Whole heap of good. And then over here, so we have a whole heap of we can work with too still.
Honestly, we only need 3. We're good.
Yeah, but I don't know why them have to kick me out still now. But you enjoy your night. You enjoy your show today. Alright, my people. I remember again now we there.
Damn, she busty.
Go check her out pan again. What's your Instagram?
Damn, she busty.
Damn, she busty. If you know what just go on my page. I'm gonna tag her up on them edited pictures here. When we edit them up, phone and thing. And yeah, man, but yes, over there people can kick you out from shooting upon them parking. But your public parking then can't stop you from public road at the end of the day. So that you know people. But again, thanks everybody who likes, subscribe, share to the channel. This is just a day in the life of a photographer in Toronto, you know. That is it. And shout out to the model who booked me. Yeah, and soon so we're on one trip, you know. That's a code.
That's a code.
Hey, and better book it, you know, that make them know, you know.
Oh, for sure.
But yeah, man, my people again can check her out and stuff. Outside cold people. Now I'm telling you like so. Yeah, she actually run right now. Me actually run her too.
I'm trying to run. I'm like, let's go. We're
that cool. Yeah, people, that cool later.
Bye.
Alright, bless up yourself, yeah. People so shoot done and work done right now, you see it. So right now we are driving to go back out of the city downtown with there. And I will show now a bit of clip when we are drive through downtown still. I'm trying to clean this shit off for you though first. Sorry about that people, I'm off, you know, make sure to see city properly. While we heading out through the city right now. And I'm getting the seat along. It's not gonna stop, you know. Police make a legal turn. But after that.
Head south on Simcoe Street toward the path, Roy Thompson.
Also make them illegal turn and go on then things, but that good. But yeah, well, people, I want to find somebody. You run down upon somebody out there, you know, you sit there. But wait, you can't go through the path. What's wrong with these idiots, man? You gotta go south. Or they cut off Queen. Wait, no, that's King, right? Nah, we can go on King. I'll just rather go on King. What's the fastest way? Alright, people. Yeah, we'll go down on King. I don't want to go through the city phone, you know, my people. I wanted to go to the city, but they said this way is faster. So we're just gonna do that. We'll call it the day. But this is downtown with people over there. Again,
continue for 800 meters.
Most of the shoot we do get them downtown because of the hotels and everything like that. So a lot of people just like to be downtown at the end of the day, you know. But downtown now you have to put that in your pricing for parking and all that stuff and gas and yeah. And feel if east or west of the city are the same thing at the end of the day. But downtown's nice. You always find out a nice spot to shoot at downtown still, but again, people them like wanna shoot anywhere in them place at the end of the day. So you have to look on that too. So not worry about that. But we don't shoot. That's why I'm showing a day in the life when I go through more time and I really vlog it, you know. And I say, yo, you know what? To me I go vlog my experience downtown. For show people what me really go through and the headache and stress. Well, sometimes you have to just bite the lips and just walk away and call it a day. You see it? Yeah, man. Because all the different things I've been going through for the years. And now I start show it here, man. I call it a day. I'm going to start show the call out the hotel them. Really, or the place them really mistreat black people like on a certain level. You see it? I'm not going to tell you no lie still. But that's just part of life still. But everybody, like, share, subscribe to the channel 416-876 Jamaica. I am out.